Hi, welcome. I'm Emma from Pilates Online, and today's the first day of our challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm really excited to be teaching you and to spend the next 21 days together. So today's Pilates, one of my favorite forms of exercise. I really think you're going to love it. If you are new to Pilates, make sure you've watched my preparation videos I sent you in the welcome email. If you want more in-depth information, then you can go ahead and look at the Essentials course, which I recommend if you're brand new to Pilates. Now, make sure you're listening to your body. That's the biggest thing I want you to remember throughout this challenge. You are your best teacher. I'm here to guide you. I'm your teacher, but you ultimately know your body a lot better than I do. And trust that you do. So if you feel something doesn't feel right, just leave it out, and I'll give modifications a lot of the time, or just take a break. It's totally fine. So let's begin. Sit to the front of your mat. Legs are hip distance apart. So we're going to be sitting right up on top of your sitting bones, not rounded back like this. So if you need to, you just move your bottom a little way away from your feet to get that position. We're going to now round your body forward and just lean gently over the legs, and just start with a few breaths into the ribs and out. So think about your ribs expanding sideways as you breathe in. Open the back of the ribs and breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Inhaling and exhaling. This is a great way to feel the opening of the ribs in the back. Now lift back up and reach your arms forward, shoulders relaxed down your back. Inhale here. Exhale, scoop your abdominals, tilt back, pull your pubic bone to your nose as you round your spine. Take a breath in here. Exhale, slide the ribs down as you lift up. Breathe in. Exhale, scoop the tummy as you round back. Inhale here. Exhale, slide the ribs forward and lift back up. On your inhale, two more. Exhale, scoop the tummy. Keep the tummy drawn in as you breathe into the ribs. Exhale, slide forward. Inhale, lift up. Last time, breathe in. Exhale, scoop the abs, round back. Stay here now. Lift the arms if you feel okay in your back to stay here, and lower down again. Inhale, lift. Keep that scoop of the tummy. Exhale, lower. Two more. One more. Breathe in here and roll all the way down as you breathe out. Scoot forward a little on your mat if you need to. And in this position, we're going to keep the back in a neutral pelvis. So avoid flattening the back completely unless you need to. I'll give you a cue on that. And avoid overarching your back so there's a lot of space. Keep a halfway point, which is your neutral pelvis, and that's a little different for everyone. So keep your arms by your side. We're going to inhale and imagine you're drawing your belly in and up your lower tummy, just below the belly button, like you're zipping up a tight pair of jeans. Exhale as you lift one leg to what we call tabletop. Now try not to rock your pelvis. Breathe in. Exhale, lower your leg. Inhale. Exhale, deepen your abs, lift. Inhale. Exhale down. So keep alternating legs without shifting, keeping that core connected. Again, last one, lift and hold. Breathe in here. Exhale, lift your second leg up. Now, if you feel your belly's popping or you're overarching your back, you can just bring your knees a little closer to your chest, keeping the lower back a bit flatter to support your back and work your core here. We're going to tap the toe and lift up this time. Inhale, exhale. If you're okay to stay neutral, not in a flat back, stay there. That will work your lower abs a little more. So just know your level. So make sure as you tap the toe, you're not just bending at the knee. Keep your right angle, hinge at the hip. Shoulders are relaxed into the back. You're not hiking them up. Two more. Should start to work those lower abs. And then if you feel okay, halfway lower with both knees, lift back up. Inhale, exhale. Keep going for two more. This should be quite good for the lower abs. Don't do it if it doesn't feel right in your lower back. Last one, and bring the knees together. Take your arms a little wider than your mat, shoulders stay down. Inhale, send your legs over to one side, lifting the opposite hip up. Exhale, pull the knees back together. So take the legs the other way, inhale, and exhale, pull them back. So as the legs go across, check if one knee's dropping lower than the other. Keep them the same level and center. This should work your waist. As you pull your ribs and hips back, really work the tummy. Inhale. Exhale, shoulders stay down. Inhale. Exhale. Now if you want, you can take the legs straight up and do this as a pendulum. And try not to let the toes slide apart now. So one leg wants to go higher than the other, keep them the same. So as you take the hip over, keep the legs level. And come back to center, bring the knees down and feet to the floor. Arms by your side, we're gonna warm up the back. Inhale. Exhale, scoop the tummy as you flatten your back and then roll your hips up to the ceiling. Stay there as you inhale. Exhale when you drop the chest, ribs, middle back, then lower back. Release at the end. Inhale. Use your tummy first. Scoop the tummy, then roll up. Peeling your spine off the mat. Breathe in and exhale, roll down. Let's do 2 more of these. Inhale, feet are flat on the floor. Exhale, roll your spine. Inhale when you get to the top. Feel like your knees are reaching away, little head is reaching the opposite way. So you're lengthening as you roll down, touching one bone at a time. Inhale again. Last time, exhale, roll your spine up. Now stay here, keep your hips level. Inhale, as you exhale, lift your right leg to tabletop. Inhale down. Exhale, left leg. Inhale down. See if you can keep those hips up and level. If you're feeling tension in your back, just drop down a little. Or try not to arch the ribs. Keep the abs connected here. The tendency is to let the ribs go. So keep the ribs and the tummy connected. Inhale, one more time. Exhale. Inhale, now stay there, breathe in, lift the hips high. Exhale, roll your spine back down. Adding on now, breathing in. Exhale, scoop those abs and roll your hips back up. We're gonna now just hinge at the hips, so fold here as you inhale, push up, exhale. We wanna bring the whole body down, not just let the back arch. Keep bringing your ribs with your hips. So we lower, inhale, lift, exhale. So bring your bottom down to a hover. So here you're working the glutes. Think pushing through the heels. Let's do another 4 more. 3, feet are flat. 2, and 1. Breathe in, exhale when you roll your spine back down. And then from here, just hug your knees into your chest. Stretch out your lower back. And then bring your feet to the floor. So now interlace your fingers, bring your hands behind the head and neck. So you're cradling the neck, thumbs down the back. I want your elbows in your peripheral vision, not flat to the floor. So we're connecting the shoulders. And keep your back in a nice neutral. We don't want to flatten as we come up. Inhale, firstly, look to the knees without lifting the head. Exhale, lift your chest, really lift from your ribs. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out, down. Inhale, look to the knees. Exhale, curl. Inhale, exhale, down. Let's continue that with just an exhale up now. Inhale, down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. So keep sliding your ribs to your hips. The key here is coming up to the tip of the shoulder blades and really using your abs to lift, not just your neck. 2 more. And last one, come up and hold. Breathe in, exhale, rotate slightly to one side. Inhale, center, stay up with your chest. Exhale, inhale, small twist. Exhale, from your rib to your hip. Inhale. Let's do 2 more. Stay up. And last one. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Connecting your abs, now bringing the legs to tabletop, if that's okay in your back, legs together. Inhale, look to the knees. Exhale, lift the chest from your ribs, okay, up to that tip of the shoulder blade position. In fact, bring your hands around behind your legs and then lift your chest a little higher and feel that height. Stay at that height now as you bring your hands behind your head. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist, just like we did before. Legs are in the air. 2 more. Last one. Center, breathe in, lower your chest, breathe out. Makes a difference when you come up nice and high. Let's do the last version. Inhale, curl up as you exhale. Now breathe in. Exhale, reach for your right leg, twist to the left knee. Change. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Stay up nice and high. Twisting. 2 more. And last one. Center, breathe in, lower and hug your knees, breathe out. Just placing the hands now on the knees. Circle your knees open, just releasing the hips. Reverse that. And then grab your legs just behind and roll yourself all the way up. Come up onto your hands and knees now. So hands under shoulders, knees under hips. And in this position, if you get sore on the wrists at any point, you can roll up your mat, put a little bit of padding under the heel of the hands so your fingers are off the mat. Or you can just put a bit more extra pressure on the outside edges. So you're kind of doing a little karate chop, not completely, but slightly angled to the outside. That should help. And make sure you're not dropping your chest. Keep lifting up the body, the chest and the neck. Hold that position. Shoulders away from the ears, not creeping up. Now we're going to stabilize the spine in a nice neutral position. Imagine you've got your favorite beverage balancing on your back. We're going to inhale and exhale, connect to your tummy, stretch your right leg out without taking your foot off the floor. Inhale, bring it in. Exhale, left leg. Inhale in. So try not to wobble, that's the key. So keeping your foot on the floor helps. So you're not really lifting the knee to shift the hip. You're just sliding the leg away, sliding the knee. That will help you stabilize. And then when you're ready, we're going to take the arm. Next time. So we're reaching the arm away, not dropping the shoulder, not bringing the shoulder to the ear. Bring it in. Exhale, reach. Inhale in. So as you reach, try not to drop. Lift your body. You're not reaching so far that your shoulder comes up to your ear. Just bring the hand away. And now adding on, we're going to take one arm, opposite leg out, bring it in. One arm, opposite leg out, so you're switching, and in. Now this time, take it away, hold, arm and leg is straight, without letting your back arch too much. Lift the arm and leg up and bring it back down. So starting sliding, straightening the leg, then lift and down. And this one's great for any lower back conditions. This is really good for all of us, actually, to work the back muscles, the shoulder muscles and the glutes and core especially. You should start to feel your tummy working when you're doing this exercise properly and not wobbling. And then as you reach the arm, turn your palm in so your thumb is up. Last one. Now come back out, reach and hold, pulse the arm and leg up for 5, 4, keep lifting your body, 3, 2, 1, take it down. Other side, reach, keep those abs working, lift 5, 4, try not to wobble, 3, 2, 1, release down. Take your knees apart, sitting down into child's pose. Give your wrists a little roll. And let's come up for 10 push-ups. So bring your feet and legs together, hands slightly wider than your shoulders. And if you feel comfortable, you just stay here with your hands under shoulders, knees under hips for your first version, like this, or bring your hands further forward, hips down for your second version. Make sure you're connecting to your core. Inhale, exhale, let's start at 10. And press 9. The whole time not dropping the neck. 8, keep the neck lifted. 7, you can do your straight leg version. 6, if you prefer. 5, press. 4, press. 3, keep the neck long. 2, 1, and push back. Come down onto your tummy. Let's go into a prone position. So your head is down on the floor, legs are hip distance apart. And from here, just think about pressing your pubic bone a little bit into the mat, lengthening your tail, lower abs are connected. Inhale, hover just up so your nose is just off the floor. Feel like your legs are reaching away. Not so much that your feet come off or you're cramping, but just lengthen your body, head lengthens, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Relax your shoulders when you go down. Lift them and open them as you come up. Not very high, just a small lift. Inhale, exhale. So keep pressing that pubic bone into the mat to take any pressure out of the lower back. So we're lifting up just to a low hover. Nose is just off the floor. So we're working our upper back. And on the next one, hover your arms and your chest, and then pump the arms, lift. Inhale, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, 2, 4, 5, and exhale, working the back of the arms. Last one. And exhale. Hold, breathe in, lower down as you breathe out. We're going to come up a little higher this time. So inhale, lift the chest higher, turn your palms to face the floor. Exhale, go down. Still pressing the pubic bone into the mat. As you come up, lengthen your head away. Turn your palms to face the floor. Really open your chest and roll so that the palms face the ceiling down. Inhale up, palms face the floor. Exhale, palms face the ceiling. Inhale, lift. Look to the front of the mat, exhale down. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale, exhale. Now stay up on the last one. Hold it up. Interlace your fingers if you feel okay. Reach your arms, stretch your chest. If you can't reach, just keep the arms here. Lift and reach. And take it down. Hands under shoulders, press back. And take a child's pose. Drop your tail, roll your spine up, sit to face me with your legs crossed. Again, if this is not comfortable for you, you can even have your legs open or legs out in front, or sit on a chair or a pillow to raise you up. And then just take one hand to the opposite knee and then rotate to the back. Twist your spine. Shoulders relaxed. Inhale, exhale, switch. Breathe in 2 more times, exhale, twist, sitting tall as you rotate the spine. Last one. And release. Come back to center, give your shoulders a roll. And that was your day 1 of Pilates. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you again soon tomorrow on the mat for day 2. Thank you so much.